Hello students, we are going to learn today word building. This activity is given on page number 49. Let's start. Word building. Word means shabda and building means bandhani. Shabda bandhani. Use the letters to make words. अक्षरे वापरून शब्द बनवा. These are given 5 charts and in these charts letters are given and after that there is given a dialogues. Teacher said, look at the tables given above. Look at the tables given above. There is given these tables. Let us use the one table at a time. You have to make words using the letters in each table. You can begin with any letter and move in any direction. You cannot jump over a letter or use a letter twice. Here teacher set some rules. Next student said, excuse me teacher, will you please explain it again? There is confusion. So student said, excuse me teacher, will you please explain it again? Then teacher explained with example. Teacher said, yes, let me give you an example. Teacher gives here one example of a first chart. See, here is given first chart. Here is given STAND, stand. Here is given directions STAND. You can move any direction, but the word become meaningful word. Then second example teacher given here, CAP, cap. CAP, cap. If you notice, in center here is A. In second chart, in center letter is I, and in this chart, in center letter is E. In this chart, letter in center O, and in this chart, letter in center U. We all know A, E, I, O, U are the vowels. Vowels means swar. So A, E, I, O, U are called vowels. Vowels means swar. And all other alphabets are called consonant. Consonant means vyanjan. If you notice, in every word these vowels are comes and then become a meaningful word. Let's see one by one. We take first chart here. Now we try to make meaningful words here. अर्थपूर्ण शब्द बनवूया. Let's see. We write here first teacher's given example STAND, stand. So write here stand. Second also we use teacher's example given in page CAP, cap. So we can write CAP, cap. Cap. Cap means topi. Then we can make another word CAT, cat. So we can write CAT, cat. The word become cat. Then we can make MAP, map. MAP, map. Map means nakasha. So we can write here MAP, map. Then try another word STAMP. So we can write here STAMP, stamp. Then another word ANT, ant. Ant means mungi. So we can write here ANT, ant. Like this you try to make many meaningful words here. These are only examples. Now try to another chart. See, in this chart, in center E is vowel and all other consonants. So in word building we always use E or vowels. So try to make words. Let's see. First we can write here LEG, leg. LEG, leg means pie. So we can write here LEG, leg. Then next word, let's see. NET, net. Net means jale. So we can write here N-E-T, net. Net means जाळे. Then next word we can try here. B-E-S-T, best. Best means चांगला. Best. So we can write here best. Then another word we can try here. B-E-G, beg. Beg means भीक मागणे. So we can write here B-E-G, beg. Beg means भीक मागणे. Then another word we can try here. H-E-N. Hen means कोंबडी. We know this. So we can write here H-E-N. Then we can write here T-E-N. 10 is number. 10 means 10. So we can write here 10. So like this you can try to make many meaningful words. These are only examples. Let's see another chart. The third chart is here. We see in center I. I is vowel and all others consonant. Let's try to building words. If we try the word I-N-K, ink. Ink means shy. So we can write here ink. I-N-K, ink. Ink means shy. Then next N-I-B, nib. Nib means nib of pen. So we can write here N-I-B, nib. Then we write another word S-I-C-K, sick. Sick means आजारी. So we can write here S-I-C-K, sick. Then another word B-R-I-C-K, brick. Brick means wheat. We use bricks to build buildings. So we can write here brick. Brick means wheat. Then next R-I-S-K, risk. So we can write here R-I-S-K. Then another word D-I-G, dig. Dig means खोदने. So like this you try to make another meaningful words. Now try to another chart. Here is O in center. O is also vowel and all others consonants. Now try to make another meaningful words. Let's start. B-O-X, box. B-O-X, box means खोके. Let's try another word. D-O-G, dog. We all know dog means kutra. Then next G-O-L-D, gold means sone. So we can write here G-O-L-D. Then next H-O-T, hot. Hot means garam. So we can write here H-O-T, hot. Then next H-O-L-D, hold. Hold means dharne. So we can write here H-O-L-D, hold. And then last try F-O-X. F-O-X, fox. Fox means kolla. Like this you try make meaningful other words. Let's see another chart. We see in center U. U is vowel and all other consonants. Try to make meaningful words. Let's try. P-U-T, put. P-U-T, put. Now try another word. C-U-P, cup. So we can write here C-U-P, cup. Then next P-U-S-H, push. So we can write here push. Push means ढकलने. Then next S-U-C-K, suck. Suck means चोखने. Then next H-U-T, hut. Hut means झोपड़ी. So we can write here hut. Then next C-U-T, cut, cut. So we can write here cut. Like this you try to make meaningful words at home and write all in your notebook. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.